Hey everybody, this is Gigi from Kauai Community College. This is an example of the chain rule number 15 blue card if you are in my class. Okay, so 15 blue card if you are in my class. So when looking at f of x here, f of x can be written as, if you think about that fifth power right there, it would be sine of cosine of 3x to the fifth power. Okay, we just write the fifth power here instead of outside. So when looking at this, we would say the outermost function is u, and the function u to the fifth power. So then the derivative of u to the fifth power with respect to u is 5u to the fourth, right? Where u is a function in terms of some variable w or whatever here. So that would be, u would be sine of w, right? And then the derivative of that is, the derivative of sine is cosine of w. And then we would say, well, there's another inside function, right? So we would say w is now in terms of, I don't know, call that a t. I'm running out of letters here. Is cosine of some t. And so then the derivative of that is, the derivative of cosine is negative sine of t. And then you have t as a function of x, and that would be 3x. So then the derivative of that with respect to x is 3. Okay, so you would have to say there's a chain rule. What am I saying? First, the derivative of 5 to some power, and this is the case where I don't like to even write all of this down. I mean, if it helps you, that's great, but that's really confusing to me because it's just so many variables that we have to be looking at, right? So, so here I will just say it's in the form something to the fifth power. So then the derivative of it is, which is the outermost, is 5 of that thing to the fourth power. And what is that thing? That thing is sine. So that would be sine to the fourth power of cosine of 3x. And then multiply by the inside derivative. And the inside derivative, I just said sine, so the inside derivative of the derivative of sine is cosine. Cosine of what? Cosine of 3x is what's inside, right? And then the next would be the derivative of cosine. And the derivative of cosine is negative sine of what? Of 3x. Multiply by the last thing, which is the derivative of 3x, and that would be 3. So you would have something to the fourth power, cosine negative sine 3. Something to the fourth power, cosine negative sine 3. There you go. And that is the derivative of that function. It looks pretty nasty, but it's pretty involved in terms of the chain rule. Okay.